So, finally gonna build myself a new PC. The first part I have here is the Cougar dual face RGB. It's a mid-tower case actually. Let me unbox this bitch real quick. Hold on. Oh, bro, how am I supposed to see this now? Bro, I think you're supposed to flip it out. Oh my god! Oh my god, did I make it? Oh. Oh. Oh my god, I did it! Okay. Get this styrofoam off. Woo! Take the styrofoam. Get that styrofoam off. What the fuck are these? Oh! They're like these little things where you can like do this thing, I think. Wow. Oh my god, bro. Is this fucking broken? Yo! Build's fucking solid. This design. Okay, I'm gonna go quick with these. Motherboard. Bam. Paired with this. Bam. I'm probably holding this in the worst way possible right now. Damn. I mean the processor. This is literally the processor. There's a stock cooler in here, a stock CPU fan. Bam, this sexy beast right here. But we won't be needing this today because I got liquid cooling for us today. Let's do a beautiful card. You know, 32 gigabytes of RAM. People say you only need 16, but 32 gigs was only like $20 more. Little SSD card, 512 gigabytes. Nothing too crazy. For my power supply, I went for Thermaltake, 600 watt power supply. This is all we're gonna need. And now, something that I've never dabbled with. This is an all-in-one liquid cooler for the CPU now. This is something I've never dabbled with. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be my first time installing something like this today, so we'll see how that goes. So just a quick rundown again. These are all the parts that I'm gonna be using today. Links are gonna be in the description below and all the parts I use. Prices may vary compared to when I bought it, but yeah. Oh, my case is down here though. I already showed that in the beginning, so yeah, let's get to this. Okay, so I just installed the radiator up here. The radiator up there. Now I'm gonna put thermal paste on the CPU. Someone's gonna murder me. That over cooler and shit. Now wipe that shit off, bro. What the fuck, man? Let me cut myself in. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. I think my bad boy can go in. I think he can go in. the clip turn on yet, buddy? I'm gonna power it on. 3, 2, 1. Damn, I heard the water. Kinda scared now. Damn. Now, they're not spinning now. I don't know if it's because there's nothing connected to it, but okay, guys. So finally done with the build. Yeah, I'm sorry about audio quality again, but finally done with the build. I already powered it on because I had to make sure it was running. I did all the wiring in the back. I had to make sure it was running. I ran into like a little situation with my fucking motherboard, and like the motherboard wasn't updated to handle the graphics card, be compatible with the not the graphics card, the CPU. So I did like a manual BIOS update and shit. Not a shit, but anyways, this is fucking. Sit back and oh my god, bro. This took me like at least 3 hours. It was, to be honest, it was just me trying to film shit, but it's a finished product, guys. Yeah. Spinny, 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 and spinny. They all be spinning. Let's go.